Why most people fail in investing and how you can avoid it. Most people lose money in the stock market, not because they're not smart. Actually, a lot of them are really smart, but because they let fear and greed control their decisions. They don't have a plan, they don't understand what they're investing in, and worse, they think short-term. As Benjamin Graham once said, the investor's chief problem, and even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. Your biggest obstacle in investing is you. Think about this. People buy when prices are high because everyone else is buying, then panic and sell when the market drops because everyone else is selling. They follow the crowd, not the strategy. They fall for hype. They invest in things they don't understand, and they expect to get rich overnight. That's not investing, that's gambling with a suit on. So how do you avoid these traps? First, learn to control your emotions. Easier said than done, right? But you have to learn to separate your feelings from your finances. Don't let greed make you overconfident or fear make you reckless. Second, think in decades, not in days. A few weeks ago, we posted a video where we showed you that Warren Buffett's average annual return for the past 10 years is 8.7%. He's not a genius, he's not a wizard, he's just smart enough to think long-term. So should you. Third, focus on value, not just price. Are you getting a good deal? Is the price you're paying lower than the actual value of the thing you're buying? If not, you're not getting a good deal. Simple as that. And finally, have a clear plan and stick to it. This is probably the most important one. You need to know what you're investing in, why you're investing in it, and when you're going to sell. If you don't have a plan, you're just playing the lottery, and the odds are not in your favor. Investing is not about predicting the future, it's about preparing for it. And the winners in the market aren't the smartest. They're the most patient, the most consistent, the most disciplined. They're the people who don't get swept up in the emotional roller coaster of investing. Remember, the market isn't your enemy. Your emotions are. So the next time you feel fear or FOMO, take a step back and ask yourself, am I following a plan or chasing a feeling? If this helped you think differently, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep building your financial future the smart way.